Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I achieved this sleek ponytail with a little bit of a twist using Marley hair. Also, before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. I washed and deep conditioned my hair the night before and added 4 Dookie plaits. My hair was still about 40% wet, which is perfectly okay for this style. I added Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie to moisturize my hair. Right now, I am parting my hair halfway down the middle for the single braid in the center of my head. I added Shine and Jam to my hair to help with the neatness of my braid. I am starting off with Edge Booster to slick down my hair. This edge control smells so good. It is absolutely divine and I love it. After I brushed the Edge Booster into my hair, I followed up with my Eco Styler Gel. Y'all, this combination is everything. My hair wasn't stiff, it didn't flake, it was so shiny and just so sleek. I was in love. I'd like to add a disclaimer that I'm very generous with the products that I use in my hair. I use whatever amount of product I need to make sure that my hair looks the way that I want. In this clip, I'm adding a little bit of edge booster to fix my edges. For my ponytail, I purchased this hair for $3.99 from my local beauty supply store. This is the tangle-free Kanekalon My Beauty Hair Marley braid in the color 1B. I added an elastic band to the Marley hair to make it easier to secure to my head. I was only able to keep my do-rag on for about 5 minutes because your girl had to go. So my hair wasn't able to set as long as I would like it to, but it still came out great. I like it. I love it. Okay. I used bobby pins to pin the Marley hair directly to my bun to prevent the bun from showing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!